In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join the official Helldivers 2 Discord server. Before we dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you want to join the official Helldivers 2 Discord server, here's what you're going to want to go ahead and do. Begin by closing out of Discord just like so and opening up a web browser of your choice. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome, but you could use whatever you would like. It doesn't necessarily matter. You can even use a mobile device if that's what you prefer. Just make sure that you have Discord on that system. From here, go ahead and type in Helldivers 2 and then add Discord at the very end and hit enter. And the very top link right here is going to be the official invite to the official Helldivers Discord. So essentially go ahead and click on this just like so. It's going to open up a web page and then immediately redirect you into Discord, where you'll be prompted to accept that invite to the official Helldivers 2 Discord server. But yeah, it really is as simple as that overall. When you hit accept, you are going to have to customize some server settings and they're going to be personal to you. And then on top of that, at the very end, you'll be prompted to read the rules. Just make sure you go ahead and read and accept those so that you can see all of the channels and chat with other people here in the community. But yeah, once again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more videos like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.